If you've been wondering how to get orbs in Discord, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to find quests, complete the required task, claim your orbs, and then use them in the Discord shop. This is a super simple process once you know where everything is, and it can be a fun way to unlock rewards like badges, decorations, and other exclusive items. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Discord guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Discord on your browser by going to Discord web. Once you're on the site, sign into your account if you haven't already. After that, look at the top left corner of the screen and click the DM or home icon. This takes you back to the main Discord area where your servers, messages, and platform navigation are available. Now, look over to the left sidebar. You should see a quest icon there if quests are available on your account. Discord doesn't always show the same options to everyone at the same time, so if you don't see it right away, take a second to check the sidebar carefully. Once you spot it, click Quests. Inside the Quests area, you'll see one or more available tasks. Choose an available quest to continue. These quests are usually tied to actions like watching a video, playing a game, or streaming for a certain amount of time. Click on the quest you want to complete, and then read the task instructions very carefully. This is important because each quest has its own requirements, and you need to do the exact objective in order to earn the orbs. For example, some quests may ask you to watch something for a set amount of time, while others may require you to play for a specific duration or connect an activity. Follow the instructions on the screen and complete the required time or objective. Make sure you let the task finish fully, because if you stop early, the orbs may not be granted. Once you've completed the quest, go back to the quest page in Discord. This is where you'll confirm your progress and collect your reward. When the task is done and eligible for redemption, click Claim Orbs. That's the step that adds the orbs to your account, so don't skip it. Now that you've earned your orbs, let's talk about how to use them. On the left sidebar, click Shop. This is where Discord lists the items you can redeem with your rewards. Inside the shop, look for Orbs exclusives. Open that section to browse the items available for orb redemption. From there, you can spend your orbs on things like badges, decorations, and other rewards that Discord makes available through the system. Just choose the item you want, check the redemption details, and use your orbs to claim it. It's a straightforward way to get unique cosmetic items without having to guess where to look. A couple of quick tips before you go. First, always read the quest requirements before starting because each one is different. Second, make sure you complete the full objective, not just part of it. Third, keep an eye on the left sidebar because Discord can move or highlight features depending on your account and current promotions. And finally, once you claim your orbs, check the shop right away so you don't miss any limited time rewards. And that's it. That's how to get orbs in Discord and redeem them in the shop. If this video helped you to charge, please give it a like, subscribe for more Discord tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.